Hello guys, you're welcome to Crypto Nation, and in this video we're gonna expose to you guys and tell you what we've packaged for you. Our mission is to help you succeed in this trending crypto space, and I believe so far that this is the greatest opportunity on the planet Earth now, that is designed to help alleviate poverty in the whole wide world. Now, if you check out the system we are living in, the government don't want you to make more money. Everything is taking money from you, but cryptocurrency is designed to pay you back, to enlarge your ability to earn more. Now, we have seen all kind of news flooding the media that stuff like the blockchain is a scam, is a bubble, Bitcoin is a bubble, and all that. But I just want to let you know that blockchain is here to stay. And before you really want to make good money from this system, it is demanded that you educate yourself. Educate yourself on what this blockchain is all about. Study about it. The inception of blockchain. There is a link below this video that we added there for you guys, in case you don't really understand what blockchain is all about. And that video with that write-up article will help to explain it to you and all that. Now, this video is dedicated to maybe beginners, newbies, average earners that want to enhance their earning capacity. And I want to talk about the strategies on how you can make money from cryptocurrency. And the one I want to talk about today is the two strategies, the investor strategy and the trader strategy. It's either you come in and as an investor, take a look at this. People that invested into Bitcoin when it was still very cheap. I know guys that invested to it when it was $2. Imagine the profit now. Or invested into Ethereum when it was that. But anytime you come into the market, you feel as if, oh, I'm late to the market. But don't feel that way, because even now, as you are regretting of the past, there is a trending opportunity now that also make you money tomorrow. Now, people that are investing today are reaping their harvest tomorrow. But you need to be careful when it comes to the investing part of it, which we'll explain to you better as we proceed. Now, we also have the traders. Traders are people that are taking advantage of the current market. They are not after the fundamental part of it. They just want to look at the chart, analyze the chart, understand the chart, and buy short and sell, and they are making more money. These are the ways we make money from this, and we'll also explain to you how you can take advantage of it. Now, let's look at it this way. Before you start investing, you need to consider and study the fundamental analysis of the company. For instance, Bitcoin is the granddaddy of cryptocurrency. We all know that. Now, every Dick and Harry is claiming, okay, there will be the next Bitcoin, there will be the next Bitcoin, there will be the next Bitcoin, both scams and real. So, but you just need to filter those things. How do we do that? You need to study their white papers. You need to study where the white papers, who are the things behind the project. Do they have any tangible or recorded thing concerning their projects? You need to study their roadmap, where they are going. Let it not just be a copycat. There are many copycats, decentralized this, decentralized that. Let it not just be a copycat. Let it be something that is genuine and real. Are you getting it? So you need to study these white papers and know their roadmap, and also check their market capitalization. This is very, very important. The market capitalization of Bitcoin is always dominating the rest. If you check into the coin market cap, you will see that the market capitalization of Bitcoin is always bigger. And also, you also check the token release. Some funny guys will just issue a coin, and they will release like 5 billion, 10 billion coins. And when the thing is being launched to an exchange like this, they will dump those volume to everybody, and that crashes the whole stuff. So you need to check out the token. The lesser the better. Like Bitcoin, 21 million. You see that? Only 21 million. That's why it keeps increasing. So if the volume or the numbers of the token are so big in billions, Now that tells you that it will take a lot of capital for the value of that token to increase. Token to increase. For instance, look at, let me say, even Ripple today. Ripple has a very big volume, and you see a lot of guys are saying the banks is, yeah, they are being backed by banks, but it will take them a very long distance, a very long time for them to come to $100, for instance, even $10, because the volume is so big. Now you can't compare it to Ethereum and others, or Bitcoin, who has a very smaller amount of volume. So this is also important, one you need to consider before you invest into this space. Now when you talk about the trading is something that is so technical. It's more of technical work, because you need to understand some funny things that to laymen it doesn't really make sense. For instance, the support and the resistance, the trend lines and patterns, indicators, the breakouts and pullback, all these things. So if you don't really understand this, it will be very difficult for you, and that's why we are here for you. Now our objective in creating this channel for you is to educate you guys, on technical analysis and on fundamental analysis. We'll be taking out charts. We'll be explaining to you how you can initiate a trade and profit on it, how you can detect patterns and all these things. We are just here for you. This is a home you should be. And I also, you need to subscribe to the channel so that you'll be getting subsequent videos on how these things work. Then in the trading, you need to understand the mental analysis. There's what they call the emotional. You need to de-emotion yourself. It sounds funny, right? So that's true. Yeah, you need to de-emotion yourself, because if you are trading based on emotion, you lose money. You need to have this mental toughness. A mental toughness that is not, you are not being moved by the market. There are these people that when the market is moving, say buy. When it's going down, then sell. And if you are doing all these things, that means you'll be losing money. And you need to understand the risk management. So these are the things that you just need to understand, and that will help you to make money on the trading aspect of it. And that's why we're here for you. So this channel is dedicated to explain all the details about cryptocurrency, how you can invest into it, and how you can trade and make consistent money. It's not trading. They said it is easy, but executing the trade is the most difficult part of it. And also consistent earning. You can make. The funny thing that happens to us when we started those days, we buy into some coin, and the coin went parabolic. It went to 20x, 50x, and you are just looking at it thinking that you keep going. Before you know it, it will bounce back to where it started from. So all these things will be explaining to you how to take advantage of the market instead of the market taking advantage of you. Are you getting it? So that is why we are here for you guys. So we want you guys to stay tuned, because we are going to take you by the hand and explain in detail, the training and how to be successful, how to be a successful investor and a trader. So all you just need to do now is to subscribe, because these trainings and these classes will be absolutely free of charge. It's unheard of, because we've discovered that instead of us making the money ourselves, let's give it back to the society. Let's help beginners, because every day new guys are coming on board, and they are falling victims. When you see somebody pitching about a coin, that is going to the moon, and before you know it, it crashes back to everybody. So all these things is what we just need to avoid, and know how to stand out in the market so they can have a consistent earning. Now let's look at this other passive ways you can earn, because the challenges is that most people want something that will be paying them every day. They want to be making daily profit, because whether you are making money or not, you are spending money every day. No matter where you are in the world, everybody is spending money on a daily basis. So people want where they'll be making consistent money every day. Now crypto also offer that platform, and the first one is the Masternode platform. Now this is very good. It started with Dash, and they did very well, and other coins now is joining them. But this masternode, you need to have small technical programming experience and all that, but it's not that difficult. But if you want a list of the coins or token that issuing masternode or about to issue masternode, please kindly go to this website, masternode.pro. You go to masternode.pro, you can see it here. This website, it lists all those coins that are having masternode. It's very, very good if you understand them. Like Dash, Dash now they are paying close to $100 every day and stuff like that, and you're getting it. So that is just a passive. You don't need to do anything again. You just be earning that for life. But they have a requirement. For instance, you need to get like 1,000 token, or some have more than that, but preferably most of them have like 1,000 upward, depends on that. So I advise you, if you are interested in masternode, just go to this website and you'll be able to check out and see the list of those coins that are already offering masternode, and also the ones that are about to offer masternode. Then the second way you can make passive earning from crypto is what they call the POS, the proof of stake. Proof of stake coins are coin just by just holding it in their wallet, in their wallet, you just be earning some coin, and they have many of them like that. We have like Neo, having like 8% per year and all that. So if you want to have a list of those coins, you can go to poslist.org. Go to this website and you'll be able to see the list of those coins. You can just buy and hold them, and the more you have, the higher you earn. Some pay per day, some pay per month, per quarter, per year. Like they are paying per year. But the other one is the lending part of it. Lending part of it is something that currently is trending, because I say it pays more. Yeah, it pays more. Because but it has a higher risk. Yeah, it has a higher risk, but it pays more. I think you watch it, because life is all about risk, and the greatest risk for you is not to take one at all. One thing about making money is diversifying your portfolios. Yeah, diversify your portfolios. And what we do most times, we have a portion of portfolio into investments, we have a portion of portfolio into trading, and we have a portion of portfolio into lending and all this, because these are the things that makes you consistent money. So there are many coins like Bitconnect, like Lega coin. Lega coin is so amazing. Look at what happened to Lega coin the other day. It just the ICO token price was just $0.8, and it went to over $100. Imagine that. That is insane. Now there are new currently. I believe they are good. And if you can check out, let me show you this coin that I think some of our teams will recommend it to them, and they're about to launch like tomorrow or next. They're about to, some are already launched. Let's look at it this way, this particular one. All right, the first one of it is what you call the Earth Connect. The Earth Connect, you can see the Earth Connect. This particular coin is let me see if I can enlarge this. Okay. All right. The Earth Connect is a token, and is a token built on the Ethereum platform, and the essence of it is that they have this lending pattern whereby they are paying you for lending your token. They are paying you for lending your token, and it's very, very, very good, because as the value of your token increases, you also having daily earning, daily returns. Look at, you can make up to 52% every month of your money without doing anything. You just by having your money, and yes, the value, it keeps increasing. The value keeps increasing. Like some of us, we joined Bitconnect when it was $9, and look at Ticketnet is $200 and something. Now this one is just absolutely new. They are just starting. So the value of the token they are starting with is 0.5. You can see, look at their is 0.5. The value of the token is 0.5. They are starting with this, until they will sell 1 million, they will now increase it to others. So you can see the values here which they are patterned to sell. So after they have finished this, it will be launched into the market. And so if you are looking for a passive way of making money, I really advise you to look into this. But don't put all your money here, don't put all your money. In our subsequent video, we'll tell you more about portfolio management, how you can diversify your portfolios. Put some there, put some here, and all that. And these guys here, I think they have a very good platform, and that's what we believe, because nothing in life is guaranteed. Even when Bitcoin was first launched, guys were saying it's a scam, it's all this, but now you can see it has turned many people's lives overnight and all stuff. So if you really want this, there's a link below, it's Connect. Click on that link, sign up on this, and put in what you can afford, and you can see that blow up. Who knows, it can turn out, if this value 0.5 turns out to be $20, you know the value here, so it's a huge potential that is in here, and it can turn your stories around while you are still learning how to trade, because it takes time. It really takes time, and also understanding the markets, because if you join most of these channels, especially all these Telegram channels, you'll be seeing buy this, buy that, buy this. Before you know, you just blow up your accounts. So you don't do that. So all you need to do, have a portfolio management mentality. And also, let's look at these other ones that we just currently involved ourselves in, and that is what they call the binary coin. The binary coin is something. Got it here, binary coin and decentralized digital currency. They are currently on now. So you can take advantage of it now. They have finished their first selling of 0.4. Now they are 0.65, and they're having no intermediary, 100% guarantee return. I believe this coin will fly away, because they have a very good, I think one of their team leader. So they'll be listed on Coin Exchange, the Liquid, the Yobit, and they just added the data line just yesterday. So this is a ICO that's it specializes on lending, and I believe this is designed to empower and helps you to make daily passive earning. Now, as you are making this money on passive earning here, what we are doing and what we intend helping you to do, as you make the passive earning, you bring the passive earning into your trading account, you multiply it on the trading account, you put it into investment account. While it grows, then you just have this algorithm that from here to there to there, you just have different assets that is producing and helping you to make more money as time goes in. So that is our objective and vision of creating this channel for you guys. So kindly subscribe to this channel, because I believe in me, we're going to be releasing something that is you will not find for free anywhere. We are not here to charge anybody. We're just here to educate you so that you become a better person. And we believe once you become a better person and you are making money, you can always say thank you to us. So if you are new and you are not really making an edge, you are not really progressing, making more money in your life, I believe cryptocurrency is here for you. So if you are interested in the in the lending cryptocurrencies that we explain, kindly click on the link below. You see those links, and you can join any of them, and as you proceed, you'll be making more money. And get glued to our homepage, our channel, because we're going to be releasing something that you will like so much, and that will change your life for good. So once again, we thank you for your time, and remain blessed. Thank you.